Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, I'm Chris Peer, founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consulting firm specializing in helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI on their marketing spend. And in this video today, we're going to talk about pillar number 2, your value proposition, messaging, and branding, and why it's so important for your marketing strategy. In this chapter, we're going to discuss a couple of key topics, one of them being why your value proposition is weak and what to do about it. Number 2 is we're going to help you to craft a well-articulated and differentiated value proposition that helps improve sales and marketing results. Number 3, we're going to talk about your messaging and how a strong messaging platform can be leveraged to communicate your value proposition effectively. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about your branding. And in branding, I mean your visual brand. This is your logo, your fonts, your colors, your graphics, and your imagery, and how all of these support your messaging and your value proposition so you can attain the highest ROI from the rollout and implementation. So to learn more, buy our book at g8p.co or visit our website, g8p.co, to download tools, templates, and guides to help you along the way. Thanks.